Well, hey family, this is Darlene. Wanted to thank you for stopping by the Jury by BDK YouTube channel. I know you didn't come here for a sermon. So here's the video, and we'll talk soon.
Whew. Well, hey family, this is Darlene stopping by really quick. Happy Monday. It has been a day. It has been a day. It has been a day. One thing is true for me. I don't know if it is for anybody else. Anytime I do like a really intense Bible study, there's always confrontation. Well, not necessarily confrontation because I try not to engage with it. I kind of try to dismiss it. The rudeness of people, the attempt to be disrespectful from people towards me, and I got to check people, right? And I know it's just the enemy, just the enemy working through that person, and that person not understand that I am a child and a servant to the King, right? And I noticed that anytime I do Bible studies, something always happened. So I'm out and about, moving around, doing what it is that I need to do for the day, my little errands and so on. Some of these places was closed. Why are they closed? It's just January the 1st, 2024. But then I thought about it. I said, well, that's not fair, Darlene. You get the day off, but they can't. And I'm like, okay, well, I get it. They can have a day off too. But I had stuff to be doing, right? So people just moving around, people just being rude, people just being, and I'm thinking to myself, didn't y'all just go through Christmas and partied all last night and stuff? Why y'all in bad moods? Okay, probably because they didn't went out and spent all that money. Okay, and then the bills started to roll in. They got the money for it. Y'all better stop all that commercialism, commercialism. But anyway, out the way that I had to go, which was Point Loma, I went ahead and stopped at Joann's, and I found a couple beads, and I only bought them because they have four for $10, and I found a pendant too. So because I'm working on the um the linked necklace series for the month of January. So I said, okay, well, I'm gonna stop and get a couple more beads. And I got all kind of beads. I'm gonna go through buckets and stuff around here because I know I have extra beads just kind of all over the place. So I'm gonna go through here, and I'm gonna make some really pretty, the best that I can, really pretty, link necklaces and stuff. But let me show you what I got. Okay, I did find a cute little pendant. I thought this was so adorable. And now that I'm thinking, I should have got three of them because they were 50% off. I think they were marked at $7.99, and then they were 40% off. They were 40% off. And I'm like, oh man, I could really use that for something. And then you can actually open it, like that little lever comes up and then it's open. So you can put a little stash of whatever. I don't know what you would put in here, but it's a little stash or something. And I got this really pretty. And then, of course, I got some of these beads. I had bought some of these before. I really like these. I do know the last couple of times I went to Joann's, they didn't have these, but I do like these beads. And I like them because you get two. I try to be finding beads that got more than one strand on them. And I'm noticing even when they got more than one strand on them, they've taken the prices up a little bit more. So I got these. I did get these too. I seen these. Oh my goodness, where did I see these at? I don't know where, but when I've seen the beads. Something was made from the beads, and I remember seeing the beads and like, oh man, those are really pretty. But these were in Joann's. I'm like, oh, these are nice. Let me grab one of these. So I did get one of these, and then I got these beads right here, made in China, ceramic beads. So how many? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So you get 13 of these beads. So I got these. These are going to be a link necklace too. These. And I might even mix these two together to come out with something pretty. And then do some type of, maybe create a pendant of some kind. But we'll see what I come up with. So I got those. And then I also got some little pineapples. I thought these were pretty. I could do something with these. And you only get 2, 4, 6, 8 for $2, and I think they were all $2.50. So if I get four for 10, 3, 6, 9, 12, yeah, about $2.50, $2 and something. But I don't even remember what the price for these was. I wouldn't have paid regular price for these. I would have only bought these beads for $10. These right here and these right here. Well, probably these too. Any one of these right here, I wouldn't have just bought regular price. And I grabbed them only because they were, four strands for $10. So I actually got five strands for $10. And I was looking at other beads that had more than one strand on them, but nothing I really wanted to use. Sometimes the crazy thing about it, the beads don't look as good hanging, but then once you use them with something, you be like, dang, I should have got more of those, right? But anyway, this is what I got. And then I got the pendant. So I am getting ready to, oh, and then I had to get some jump rings. I need some more jump rings. So that's what I got at that Joann's. And the only reason why I stopped out there is because I had to do an errand out that way. So I am getting ready to get busy, and we'll talk.